Hi, my name is Jack Lawson, and in this video I'm going to present to you the unique features and benefits of the AFM Workshop's LS-AFM. The LS-AFM is designed for doing life sciences research, including imaging soft materials and measuring force-distance curves. The LS-AFM includes a personal computer with a Windows 10 operating system, AFM Control Software, an e-box with electronic components for operating the AFM stage, an inverted optical microscope adapter plate, and an AFM stage. As an option, we offer our own inverted optical microscope. There are many advanced and unique features included with the LS-AFM. In addition to the inverted optical microscope view of the sample from the bottom, there is a top view optical microscope. The top view video microscope has a mechanical 7:1 zoom ratio. This microscope is helpful for laser alignment, tip approach, and imaging opaque samples. Unique to the LS-AFM is the direct drive Z approach mechanism using a linear mechanical stage. With this option, it assures that the probe of the sample angle remains constant during probe approach. There are two removable probe holders included with the LS-AFM. Probe exchange is accomplished by removing the probe holder from the light lever and setting it on a holding plate. Here, we are showing the probe holder for dry scanning. A Duncan scan probe holder is used for scanning samples submerged in liquids. Once the probe is inserted into the AFM, the samples submerged in liquid are imaged. The AFM Control Software includes a module for measuring force-distance curves. Features include force mapping, measuring curves from a feedback and out of feedback condition, and control of the inbound and outbound curve rates. Analysis of curves is possible with optional industry-standard SPIP software. The LS-AFM includes an IOM Adapter Plate that replaces the standard IOM plate. At the front left of the IOM adapter plate is an XY sample translation mechanism with a range of 25 by 25 millimeters. The stage can hold a standard glass slide or a petri dish. At the back left of the IOM adapter plate is an XY translation stage that is used for positioning the AFM probe over the optical microscope axis. As I mentioned earlier, the LS-AFM can be purchased with an optical microscope. Also, we can manufacture custom adapter plates for almost any commercial inverted optical microscope, including Olympus, Zeiss, and Nikon. Another option for the LS-AFM is the frontal access light lever, or FAL. This unique design allows researchers the capability of inserting one or two probes very close to the AFM probe. Here is an example of this option being used with carbon fibers to stretch cardiomyocytes, and another example of making patch clamp measurements. Imaging modes included with the LS-AFM include non-vibrating mode, commonly called contact mode, and vibrating mode, commonly called tapping mode. Here are a few images of cells measured with the LS-AFM. AFM Workshop offers unique vibration solution products for the LS-AFM. This includes an acoustic enclosure as well as an active vibration table. The LS-AFM has the highest performance to price ratio on the market. Prices for the LS-AFM range from $55,000 to $85,000 depending on the options. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like more information or a quote for the LS-AFM, please visit our website at www.afmworkshop.com. We would be delighted to answer any questions you may have.